single day, right guys? Instead of doing a single debut, I might actually do a double debut this time. For real? Yeah. So, you know what? I'm gonna read out the votes. Canned Tomato, Breaky, Mini Melon, and Christmas Robot got 0 votes. You guys won't debut. What? Acid Syringe got 20%. He won't debut. What? And when I send everyone off Acid Syringe, you're going to infect them. So I'm going to send you off early. Noah! Women also, which means now it's down to Pacha, women, and 5 hours. 2 of you would date. Wait, I thought it said one of us. Yeah, but 1 is too boring. How about 2? We do got some double eliminations, remember? It's a double elimination. Nope, I didn't say yet. Anyways, the one debuting are... I'll just say the first... The one debuting are... Pacha and 5 hours. We debuted? Yes, my speech would work. Women, you got 67%. Pacha got 75 and 5 hours. Pacha with 75% and 5 hours with 80%. Both of you join Melon Sandbox battle. Oh, yeah! Let's go! It is Wednesday, my dude. Let's go! Women, you don't debut with 67%. Okay, you know what? I'm actually fine with that. Right, so I guess Patch Faisal actually got the most percent. So he will join the cool boys. For real? Yeah. And Pacha? Team No needs some help, so you're going to join Team No. Rest of you, time to get ejected. We're all going to get ejected in the giant catapult. Giant? Even acid syringe could fit in there. Oh. Is everybody okay? Yep, everyone's okay. Ready? Ready! Aim! Ugh, this is too heavy. Oh. Bro, I'm killing. Right. This normal catapult will work for you all. Ready, aim, and fire! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! And you know what? This elimination is getting a bit late. I just wanted to do this quick elimination. Ink Bendy, you got the most votes. You're out. What? No! Ready, aim, fire! Fire! What is going? Okay, could pretend that was a fling. Come on, let's work. Okay, come on. We have no time for the intro today, but I'll just think about adding the contestants to. Because I have to add them. Add the contestants on to the intro. And I guess we have no time now, so, right. And the ad is about to come. Right, guys. Today's challenge is a simple balance beam. You do have your fun, and tell me who's up for elimination. I'm gonna go work on adding Pacha and 5 hours to the intro. 3, 2, 1, go! Right, it's time to evaluate. Can somebody shoot him out? Whoa, 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 whoa! Stop it! You're ruining my choir! Oh no, I don't want to be eliminated quickly again. Of course you don't. Hey, I'm just going to do you something good for your deeds. Do what? See, I'm gonna knock out some of the cool boys' teammates. If I saw this guy's a healing guy, he's too powerful. We need to get him eliminated as fast as possible. Hey, skeleton. Right. Disqualification gun. Boo just got disqualification gun. See ya, skeleton. Bye. Wait, is that sticky? Oh, get me out. No, no, no. Throw him out, throw him out, throw him out. Whoa. I don't want to be thrown Forest Jevin. He's gonna connect to Jevin, right? Yep, he is. Oh, I've been married. Hey, Nugget, would you stop singing your cringy song? Ah. Wait, what are you doing? No! Win this for me, team. Do not lose again. Rest in peace, potato. Fair. There, potato. Happy? Oh, God, no. Hey, come on, Apple. Let's kick them. Yeah. That's above guy. Come on, join us. Okay. I mean, we have to avenge our teammates. Our teammate, Jevin. What? No, not just a teammate. Oh, hey, what are you doing? Whoa! Oh! You knocked down my whole teammate! Whoa! No! 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 What about you? What? How could he throw off my best friend? Take this. Nope. And you. I can punch you in the... Oh! Air. Hey, wait, Melon, we survived. The two of us. Talk about it now. I lost one of my legs. Yeah, but we're still alive. I'm still alive too. F for them. F for these guys. They're dead. Especially... Wait, where was Gooseberry went? I collected a regenerative growth syringe back there, and I gave it to... Yeah. Enough. I'll show them what my true power is. Immortality. Whoa. I'm not built like you, Queso. Whoa, Queso! Chill, man! You just killed NPC Blue Red. Is that so? But I hope we don't lose. Slash ban Iron Man and figure. Commands? They don't work on. Told you I'm an admin. Alright, viewers, now vote for either. You cannot vote for Potato since he won immunity for being captain. You can either vote for Figure, Iron Man, Noob, or wait! I'm on the other team! Why am I being up for elimination? Okay, because you it's because you cheated! Did I cheat? Yeah, you cheated! That's why I put you up for elimination as well. You know what? You know what? Okay, and guess what? I don't care. You're not an admin, you stupid spacesuit man. Okay, for cheating and for attitude, both Noob's team, the festive fighters are safe, and Noob's team is up for elimination. You're not fair. So vote for them to be eliminated. Vote in the poll for these three options: Noob, Fat Streamer, Queso, or Nugget. But you're not allowed to vote for Baldy since he got immunity for being team captain. Voting ends whenever I announce the one eliminated, and I hope it's Noob. I'm really done for. Maybe if you didn't use admin commands to cheat, then we'd win and we'd beat the festive fighters. I don't care. Do you agree, Nugget? His singing is annoying, but I'm starting to think you're worse than him. So, why do you think they removed the roof? Well, I was one of the failed debuters, so I think the other failed debuters have arrived. Why is it raining people? What? What? Oh, my face! That's why I hate going around with everyone. I need a regrowth. Oh, I got healed fast. I don't feel so good. Yeah, me neither. I hope one more person doesn't. And Ink Bendy. They couldn't swing me with a catapult. I was too inky for the catapult, so they just used the cannon to throw me here. Gosh, I hate this day. It's going to be a lot of noise in here now. But the roof will come up at least, right?